Follow the equator. Ecuador, South America. Ecuador is the Spanish word for equator. It has so many different species of animals and plants that it is called a mega diverse country. More than 1,600 bird species and 16,000 plant species are found here. Ecuador has rainforests, mountains, and grasslands, so there are many different sorts of habitats for animals to live in. Jaguars are found in the rainforests of Ecuador. They are fierce hunters that stalk their prey carefully before pouncing. They are excellent swimmers and climbers. Colombia, South America. Colombia, like Ecuador, is a mega diverse country. It is home to 10% of the Earth's species and has more kinds of mammals than anywhere else in the world. The landscape varies from high mountain ranges to dense rainforests, low coastal plains, and hot, dry deserts. Toucans live in holes in trees and are found in the rainforests of Colombia. Their colorful bills, although large, are not very heavy. Gabon, Africa. Gabon, on the west coast of Africa, has three distinct regions. The coastal plains have large areas of mangroves. The middle of the country is mountainous, and there is savanna in the east and south of the country. Gabon is always hot and humid. Mandrills are the most colorful of all the primates. They live in large groups called hordes in the tropical forests of Gabon. Republic of the Congo, Africa. The Republic of the Congo is covered with dense tropical rainforests and swamps. Much of the country is uninhabited. On the western boundary is the Congo River, which is the deepest river in the world. Next door, on the equator, is the very similarly named Democratic Republic of the Congo. Western lowland gorillas live in family groups in the forests of the Republic of the Congo. Kenya, Africa. Kenya's climate ranges from warm and humid at the coast to the snow-capped peaks of Mount Kenya, the second highest mountain in Africa. The savanna in the center of the country is home to Africa's most famous animals: lions, hippos, elephants, rhinoceroses, giraffes, and zebras. Millions of flamingos nest on the shores of Lake Nakuru in Kenya. Indonesia, Asia. Indonesia is an archipelago with more than 17,000 islands. The habitats of the islands vary, so there is a wide variety of plants and animals. Indonesia has a hot, humid climate and regularly experiences earthquakes. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard in the world. It is only found on 5 islands in Indonesia. Follow the equator. Life around the center of the earth. Republic of the Congo, Africa. Western lowland gorillas live in family groups in the forests of the Republic of the Congo. Kenya, Africa. Millions of flamingos on the shores of Lake Nakuru in Kenya. Indonesia, Asia. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard in the world. It is only found on 5 islands in Indonesia.